The Renova Center, I'm the director of the Renova Center, and we recently had our annual inspection conducted by the Department of Health. They spent 6 days at our facility, and when completed, an exit interview was held in which we learned that we received no deficiencies. In checking our archives, the last time a no deficiency inspection was achieved was in 1996, so we're talking 19 years ago. I checked it this morning. Accompanying me this morning are 3 staff who provide direct care and support for our residents. And if you want to introduce yourself and your position and what you do, Colleen.
Everything.
Yeah.
I'm a multitasker.
Yeah.
I'm Colleen, and I'm a DA, and I take care of the staff.
As you know,
Direct
dressing,
care, yes,
bathing,
feeding,
yeah.
Taking them out, making them laugh, loving them.
I'm a PA. I do a range of exercises.
Stretching and
Yeah.
stuff like that.
I'm Lisa. I'm second shift supervisor. So I do a lot.
She also is capable of performing direct care support, but as a team leader, she supervises to make sure that stuff is getting done.
Roman, would you want to give just a little bit of a description of what Renova is, for the sake of those who may not know?
Okay. The Renova Center is an intermediate care facility. It's a 24/7 residential facility for people with disabilities. Our bed capacity is 25, and we currently have 22. Not only are they have severe and profound intellectual disabilities, but they also have some very serious medical complications as well, for which I tried to get nurses here, but I wasn't able to do it. So we do have some RNs and some LPNs that provide that care for them also.
Thank you.
Thank you for your caring, loving compassion that you give to these residents. They're our most needy citizens and deserve all the best, but without your care, it wouldn't happen. So thank you.
And I just wanted to add something here that as far as, because I do think that at times they're underappreciated as far as what they do and how hard they work. So I did want to bring frontline staff, and they do work extremely hard in meeting the needs of our residents. And not only do they provide the essentials like bathing and feeding and dressing, etc., but they also provide support and extend opportunities to the individuals in our care to enhance their lives. There's more to life than just bathing, feeding, and dressing. So, and at times that aspect of what we do at Renova Center is underemphasized. We do give meaning to their lives, and this is achieved by cultivating relationships with our individuals. They can give you stories about how they relate, to them. And building positive relationships is a valued and important part of what we do. So we thank you for your continued collective support and commitment that you provide to us as we strive to achieve the highest quality of life for the people that we serve. Thank you.
Unlike a hospital with a length of stay, 5 days or whatever average, you want to explain how the length of stay, this is really a lifetime commitment for a resident?
For the most part, yeah, it is. Our youngest is 13
He just
right
turned
now,
14.
and we have one at 13. And there was a time when we had an individual was in her late 80s,
Yeah.
So it runs the gamut. And some of our individuals have been there for 34, 35 years.
So it becomes their home.
Yes. As much as we like to make it a home, given the setting that we
Where there's
that we
sisters,
have.
brothers, mothers, fathers, everything.
Yes.
One of the things that has been, I would say, eye-opening for me as a new county commissioner, not so new now, but was a better awareness of Renova Center. I knew it existed and, basically what the charge was, but as a county commissioner, to become more involved, first of all, in the behind-the-scenes process, and to take part in the Christmas party and the picnics and all of the fundraisers and all those kinds of things. I just have total appreciation for what all of you do. And just like Roman, like you make us look good, these folks make you look good.
That's why they're here, and they do work extremely, extremely hard.
And the county commissioners, in honor of your no defect inspection, we have a certificate that you can frame if you care to and post on your wall, so I'd like to present that.
Super.